We know that having body fat percentages that are too high is unhealthy for us, and most people struggle to lose fat. Most people struggle to lose weight generally, but most people especially struggle to lose body fat, or what we call adipose tissue. Now, this is a huge topic on the internet. There's a lot of controversy. Today, we're going to talk about some things related to fat loss and that are powerful for fat loss that I'm guessing most of you have never heard about before. You may have heard about a few of them, but I'm guessing you haven't heard about all of them.
Over thousands of scientific research papers have proven that it is possible to burn fat and build muscles simultaneously just by combining these 4 methods I'm going to share with you. And the good thing is anyone, including you, can do it even if you think you are lazy. The methods we will be talking about are strength training, high-intensity interval training, simple meal prepping, and key supplements. Now let's dive deeper and see how you can leverage them to achieve your goal. The first on our list is strength training. You don't need to spend hours lifting heavy weights. Just use the 3x5 protocol, which is 3 to 5 exercises per workout, 3 to 5 sets per exercise, 3 to 5 repetitions per set, and rest 3 to 5 minutes between sets, ideally 3 to 5 times per week. This method focuses on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and presses. It's efficient and perfect for building strength without bulking up too much. Next, let's move on to high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, specifically the sugarcane protocol. Warm up with 3 to 5 minutes of light activity. For round 1, do 2 minutes of maximum effort, then rest for 2 minutes. In round 2, cover the same distance as in round 1 as quickly as possible, then rest for 2 minutes. Round 3 repeats the duration of round 2, aiming to match or exceed the distance from round 1. Do this once every 2 to 4 weeks. It's short, intense, and incredibly effective for burning calories. Moving forward, let's see the third method, which is meal prepping. Spend 90 minutes a week cooking all your meals in advance. Use methods like baking, microwaving, boiling, and pre-cooked foods, focusing on healthy proteins, vegetables, and whole grains. Prepping your meals ensures you have healthy, portion-controlled options ready, without the daily hassle. Finally, consider adding these key supplements to boost your results: omega-3 fatty acids, 1 to 2 grams of EPA per day, and creatine monohydrate, 5 grams per day, up to 10 grams if you weigh over 185 pounds. These supplements support muscle growth, recovery, and overall health with minimal effort. That's it. By integrating strength training, occasional HIIT, simple meal prepping, and these key supplements, you can burn fat and build muscle without turning your life upside down.